Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to free up space without removing the apps. So first of all, I highly recommend to go to the settings. Here in this left section, go to apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and I highly recommend to go through all of them and remove cache. So all we have to do is to open the specific app, then let's scroll down to this usage section and go to storage. So here, as you can see, we've got this cache section, and basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, and they are not necessary for the app to work fine. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove them. I do not recommend tapping on clear data because your device will remove everything connected with this app. And as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps and remove cache. Another way to remove some items and release the memory is to go to the settings, and here in this left section let's go to the device care, which is right above the apps. So here we've got two different sections from which we can use to remove some data. So first of all, start with the storage. Here we've got the trash section. So here we've got those files which are currently removed, and they are obviously they are not visible in the gallery, for example, but they are still saved and they are still occupying the memory. So you can simply enter my files or whatever you wish. Just mark all of the removed items and then tap on delete all, so you will release some memory. Let's go back, maybe not like that. Here you've got also unused apps, but let's be honest, we wanted to remove some other items rather than apps. So we were in the storage. We can also tap on the memory. Let's tap on it and let your device just check itself. And here we can free up the memory by stopping background apps. As you can see, we can tap on clean now. And here we've got the full list of the apps which will be stopped, just turned off. Another thing which you can do is to find and check the downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of things and forget about them. So I highly recommend to just go to your file manager. It doesn't matter whether you use the Google File Manager or the one provided by your developer or any other third-party app. Just go to My Files, and for sure you will have this icon, or basically the section which is called Downloads. And if you've got something here, I highly recommend to simply check it and then remove those which are not necessary and which you don't need. And the last thing which I highly recommend, I will not explain the full process of it because you can check it in our other dedicated tutorials, is to consider moving your files like photos or videos to another place, which is called usually a backup. So you can back up your photos and videos to, for example, Google Photos or OneDrive or Google Drive or whatever place you wish. Thanks to which you will be able to still keep everything, but you will be able to remove them from your internal storage and release the memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.